Okay, so for number 6, I mean, basically, I just took it, turned d or y prime into dy over dx, still had that there. You don't have to worry about any of the ones with the roots. I'm sorry, like non-homogeneous of linear of order 2. Like that's all completely different. This you have a y prime, so it's of order 1. So I mean, I usually check to see if it's separable at that point. So noticing that it's not separable, but it's kind of in that form, you just have to know the substitution. Y equals Vx, and then dy is equal to V dx plus X dV. Now you're going to take these two, and you're going to, for every y, you're going to substitute in Vx. So xy turns into Vx squared. And then dy goes to V dx plus X dV. And then you're going to put Vx in there. So x squared plus x squared V squared dx. And then you're just going to distribute that to everything. Distribute the dx to everything there, and then you simplify. So x squared v squared x squared dx, v squared x squared dx, cancel those. Actually, you can divide everything by x squared. So I took those out, and I basically took the x cubed? Yeah. I just got rid of the x cubed, so now it's just vx. V squared dx plus Vx dV is equal to 1 plus V squared. So yeah, dx. So 1 plus V squared dx. Okay, well 1 plus V squared dx minus a V squared dx. So now you're just going to have a dx. So Vx dV is equal to dx. Separate variables. V dV equal to 1 over x dx. Integrate them. 1/2 V squared is equal to ln x plus c. Substitute, because if y is equal to Vx, V is equal to y over x. So you're going to plug in y over x for V. And this is actually where I made my mistake, but they let me have it because I had my 2 there. I just didn't carry it through. But again, V is equal to y over x. So now you have y squared over x squared is equal to 2 ln x squared plus c. And and then you're at that point, right? Well, now you want to plug in your initial condition, which is y of 1 is equal to 0. So y when x equals 1 is equal to 0. So 0, because, yeah, that's 0 over 1, so that's 0. Yeah, 0 over 1, that's 0. What is it like? Or of what gives you 1? E to the power of what gives you 1? Only e to the 0 gives you 1, because anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 0 equals to 0 plus c, so c is equal to 0. So since c is equal to 0, same thing there, you basically just plug in 0 for that. So then you get y squared over x squared is equal to 2 ln x squared. And then y squared is equal, just move the x squared over. Y squared is equal to x squared 2 ln x squared. To find c, you just plug in your initial condition. It's kind of similar to the thing in dynamics where we like integrate acceleration to find velocity and then distance. And then you have to, for example, like, at t equals 0, s equals 0. Or at t equals 0, v equals v naught x, v naught y. Like, that's basically what the initial condition is.